Hello, dear students. So, I'm here again with a beautiful, important, and a new topic for you, that is poster. And poster making is there in your syllabus in 11th and 12th both. So, let's know about what is a poster. So, a poster is a card or placard carrying some announcement, advertisement, etc. So, it may be some kind of announcement or it may be some kind of advertisement of something. A good poster at once catches the attention of the passers-by. So, it should be very impressive, very attractive. Third is, it can be used to promote a product, event, or sentiment, for example, patriotism or addiction, etc. A poster must have striking design, striking which strikes your mind, which catches your mind, which influences your mind. So it should be beautifully designed and it should have ornate artwork. Means it should be beautiful. If we talk about decoration, means drawing, or it should be beautiful in words wise as well. Complex structures, slogans, and beautiful phrases must be used. These all things make a poster to be more attractive. So the points to take care while designing or making a poster, that is, we should use captions. Okay, and use of captions is a very common word nowadays for you all are here active on social sites and all, so using captions, use of slogans, each one, teach one, or no crackers ever, happiness forever, these kind of slogans. Logo, emblem, or symbols if those are related with your posters. Then we have to also make pictures, diagrams, and sketches, any of these things. Then if we talk about message in points in poster, it's not all about drawing, words must be there. Those messages should be short and sweet, and a telegraphic language should be used. Telegraphic language means a two-word language where you are using very less words but the meaning is clear. Content information complete should be there, details complete should be there. If it is an event, where it is to be organized, who is going to organize it, what is the time, and why it is organized, all the kind of details must be there. Then if it is required in posters, some statistics or figures should be there. Suppose if it is of drug addiction, you can use it that in last 1 year the cases have been increased from this to this. These kind of data can also be used. Speciality, the poster should be brain tickling, means usko dekhte hi your brain should be getting tickled, it should get active, it should think over it, and eye catching. And the questions, it should have open ended questions. Open ended questions are where only yes or no are not sufficient. Okay, some responses are required. So those kind of questions should be there so that it can strike the mind and the people can think over it.